That's not very nice, teasing Geiger like that. Henry, don't tease Geiger. Geiger was throwing up, and now you're teasing him. Henry, that's not nice. Stop that. You want to do the daddy dance? Come here, turn around. Do the daddy dance for the camera. Do the daddy dance. Come on, bud. Do the daddy dance. All right.